Hello friends and fans of EVGA, and today I wanted to show you a really cool web page program that we have that's called the DIY Configurator. It's basically a way that you can order multiple EVGA products while getting a discount at the same time and knowing that the parts that you're getting actually are compatible and work together. So I'm going to show that to you now. First thing that we want to do here is if you go to evga.com, we've updated the main page so that there is now this banner here that says DIY Configurator. This will allow you to go straight to the DIY Configurator from the home page, but you can also go to Products, and then under Featured there's the DIY Configurator. But we're going to click on the banner. You can see it takes us to the DIY Configurator. Basically, what this is, it's a way of ordering multiple EVGA products at the same time. Now, to make a DIY configuration, you must first have 3 parts. You have to purchase a graphics card, a gaming case, and a power supply. Certainly graphics cards, power supplies are 2 of the things that EVGA is most known for, so a lot of good systems are going to have those anyway. We're going to throw in there one of our EVGA cases, and that right there, those 3 items, you'll get them with any instant rebates that we already have on EVGA.com, and then on top of that, we will be adding a discount for the entire sort of bundle that you've created, your DIY configuration. And then you can also add more products to that. Say you also want to put in a motherboard. Say you also want to put in one of our audio cards, maybe an all-in-one cooler, maybe you want to add a peripheral, a keyboard, or a mouse. Basically, the more items that you add to your DIY configuration, the more of a discount we're going to give you on the entire order. It is important to note that this is not going to be an assembled kit. This is just a way of ordering these products together, but it is helpful because they all ship together, so you know that you're getting all of your parts at the same time, so you don't have to have a bunch of stuff sitting in the corner while you wait for that one part to come in. Say I want a 2080 Ti. We're going to go with one of our nice big FTW3s. It's one of our best graphics cards. Add to that, let's try something that is not going to work. We have a mini ITX case called a Hadron Air. Hadron Air is a really cool case, but it could not fit something like a 3-fan FTW3 card. So you'll see, it tells you right here, this product is not compatible with your current build. So we are looking after you in here. We don't just want you to buy, as many EVGA parts as you can. We do want you to have a configuration that does actually work. At the same time, say you wanted to buy a power supply and you're not really sure, how many watts do I need? This will keep you pretty safe as well. This ties into our power meter rules, so it knows what kind of power that system needs. So if you try to put in, say, a 450 watt power supply, it's going to tell you, actually the 450 watt is not quite enough for a 2080 Ti. Personally, I'm going to go with, say, a 750. It's kind of the bread and butter for a unit like that. Let's go with one of our G3s here. And then finally, let's put all of this inside one of our DG7 cases, like this white one here. Let's go for this same one here. We'll go with the 77 white. Really nice case. And you can see that we have our 3 items here. And again, this is the price that you would pay if you were buying these products individually at evga.com. You get your item total, but then on here there is also a DIY discount of $54. So that's not so bad. If you're gonna buy all these parts on our website anyway, or even on a different retail site, check this out, because this actually may be a little bit less expensive than what you can find anywhere else, because we are adding this DIY discount. But we don't have to stop there. Say we want to add in a motherboard to this configuration. Let's go with one of our X299 series motherboards. Let's go with one of the ones that fits into that case. We'll go with the Micro 2. And let's add in one of our new audio cards as well. We'll add in a CLC. This one's a 240mm CLC. And just to round it out, we'll throw in a Z10 keyboard. I like blue switches myself. And one of our X10 mice. So now we've added together a quite substantial system. This will be an incredibly good system because of that 2080 Ti for gaming, and then also with the audio with that new audio card. The subtotal for that is going to be $2,686, quite a hefty system, but there is a $50 instant rebate on one of those products, so that gets factored in. And on top of that, there is the DIY discount, and again, because we added more pieces to this equation, more parts to the DIY config, we now have a discount of more than $131, which is actually pretty good, and it brings the total down to about $2,500. Hopefully, guys, you enjoyed this video. Catch us again for future videos and interesting how-to stuff. There's some cool programs that you may not be aware of, and we definitely want to bring that information to you. But at any rate, make sure you're subscribed if you're not already, and click that bell notification so that we can notify you when we have a new upload. And at any rate, you have a good rest of your day, and we'll catch you on a future video.